Are you trying to start affiliate marketing but struggling with creating content, building websites, finding traffic, or managing complicated tools? What if artificial intelligence could help you simplify many of these difficult steps? Today, we are reviewing Super Affiliates AI, an AI-powered platform designed for people interested in creating a faceless affiliate marketing business. But the important question is, can Super Affiliates AI really help beginners? What features does it offer? And is it actually worth your attention? Watch this review until the end because I will explain the features, benefits, limitations, and where you can read my complete Super Affiliates AI review before making your decision. Affiliate marketing has created opportunities for thousands of online entrepreneurs. But many beginners quickly discover that success is not as easy as it looks. You need to select products, create websites or pages, write quality content, build marketing campaigns, generate traffic, and continuously test what works. Doing everything manually can take a lot of time. This is where AI tools are becoming popular. Super Affiliates AI is designed to combine artificial intelligence with affiliate marketing workflows. The main idea is simple: help users save time, reduce technical barriers, and make the affiliate marketing process easier. Instead of spending hours trying to manage different tools, AI assistants can help you organize and create marketing materials faster. One of the biggest attractions of Super Affiliates AI is faceless affiliate marketing. Many people want to start online businesses, but do not want to show their face on camera. With AI-powered systems, creators can focus on content, promotions, and campaigns without becoming a personal brand. This makes it interesting for bloggers, YouTube creators, and digital marketers. Let's look at some important features. Number 1, AI-powered content support. Creating content consistently is one of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing. Super Affiliates AI aims to help users create marketing content ideas faster. Number 2, beginner-friendly workflow. Many beginners quit because tools become too complicated. The platform focuses on making the process easier for new users. Number 3, AI automation. Automation can help reduce repetitive tasks and save valuable time. Number 4, faceless marketing approach. This is useful for people who want to build online assets without recording themselves every day. Who should consider Super Affiliates AI? It may be useful for beginner affiliate marketers, bloggers who want to create more content, YouTube creators building faceless channels, digital marketers exploring AI tools, and people interested in starting an online business with AI assistance. Now let's discuss the advantages. Super Affiliates AI can save time. It can reduce the need for multiple complicated tools. It supports beginners who are learning affiliate marketing. And it uses AI technology to simplify different marketing activities. But before you decide, you should understand one important thing. No AI software can guarantee overnight success. Affiliate marketing still requires learning, patience, testing, and consistent work. Your results depend on your effort, your niche, your content quality, and your marketing strategy. AI can help you move faster, but it cannot replace smart decisions. So, is Super Affiliates AI worth checking? If you want to explore AI-powered affiliate marketing and want tools that can simplify your workflow, Super Affiliates AI may be interesting for you. I have prepared a complete written review where you can check more details, features, pros, cons, and my final opinion. Click the link in the description below. Read my full Super Affiliates AI review on PB Review. Inside the article, click the official access button to visit the Super Affiliates AI website and check the latest offer. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.